at the rear of the sunroom. Something hit this panel right here, and it damaged. A ladder can never reach that area because this fascia will protect that those areas are not damaged. See, this is the damage right here. And what I'm saying is that this cannot be from a ladder or something else. This was a flying debris, something that hit this siding and damaged the siding. See, a ladder cannot be resting on the siding because this soffit and fascia will protect it. So this is a clear example of damage to the siding that it is not wear and tear.